Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing for January 2020 for you. It is finally here. It took a while to get here, but it is. Haven't opened it yet, so let's get started. Also, I just took a shower, as you can see, put a bit of concealer on, and you have to deal with this now. Okay, so let's open it up. It is turquoise green-ish. It has a bee on. I don't know what that means, but it's turquoise. Bit of yellow. Okay, let's open up. Revive, refresh, recycle. Oh yeah, I remember that was the like the sneak peek in the leaflet, which is here from last month. They actually want to be a bit more sustainable and eco-conscious, and I actually agree with that. Like, I always recycle these anyways. You know, if I sell something on eBay or Etsy or whatever, I use these to send it off. Or if I send off a giveaway, always recycle things. You know, there's always, like, you will always find a way to recycle things. So that's good. Here's the leaflet booklet. UKL with Beyonce on. Nice. I like reading it. Like, I don't read every single article, but you know, if there's something I'm interested in, I will read it. Ooh, nice fashion. Oh my god. And then the inside is yellow. So yes. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I actually see here is the glove. Reusable makeup remover pads, 3-pack. The most soothing makeup removal routine under the moon. Save up to 150 cotton pads monthly. Okay. The thing is, I have reusable makeup removing pads already, so I think I will put it into a giveaway. But anyway, it's nice to have. Also, I will not zoom in anymore. I think you can see it like this, right? 3 pads in here, 7-11. Minimize the makeup removal routine with the help of Glove's Moon Pads. Reusable and sustainable, the pads are made from microfibers that break down dirt and impurities to give a deep cleanse and exfoliation in one. So like I said, I think I will put these into giveaway because I have like 14 or so microfiber towels that I use currently. I mean, I change them up, you know, like I don't use them at the same time, you know what I mean. So definitely into a giveaway because I want to do like one giveaway a month, so that will come in handy. This is the okay. This was open already. The Mio Fit Skin for Life Shrink to Fit Cellulite Smoother. Okay, that I could use. Smooth, moisturize, and firm. High intensity body care. That I could definitely use because I have a bunch of cellulite. Just saying. You know, I know you didn't want to know, but you anyways now. This is worth £9. Or you either get this one, you get the boob tube, or you get the skin tight. These antioxidant-rich creams effectively tone and smooth the appearance of skin, revealing soft, firm, fit skin for life. Infused with a wide mix of beneficial ingredients, including papaya, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine, these products will look after your skin from top to toe. Shall we get this little sniff test and see what it smells like? Okay, it comes out like this. That smells like candy, like some peppermint candy. That smells good. Oh my god. It smells like chewing gum. You know, like, oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, I cannot wait to try this out. Actually, as a matter of fact, once I finish this video, I will use that more or less just to see. But there are two things that look kind of the same. A professional Sebastian dog oil with jojoba and argan oil. Okay, shampoo and conditioner. They look fancy. Look at this. Can I smell? Oh. It smells a bit like a man's shower gel / shampoo, but I don't really care, you know, as long as... This smells like cotton candy. No, actually not. This smells really good. Oh my god. Don't tell me this is just for men. I don't think so. Made in Germany. Okay, I see you. These are worth $7.92. Infused with a special blend of nourishing oils, including jojoba and argan, this salon-grade shampoo and conditioner duo effectively cleanses and conditions hair without weighing it down. Use regularly to see a noticeable improvement in softness, volume, and shine. So, good thing that my conditioner just, you know, I just use it up. Yeah, it didn't really make a difference, but anyways, I would definitely try these. So far, 3 out of 3 products are actually exciting for me. We have this. Ooh, I love e-cooking. Oh my god, they had that one mask that made me look like Mr. Krabs. I will get here. Amazing. I love that stuff. A bit strange and scary at first, but like it made my skin so soft. So this is really nice. And I love the pump it has. And you can actually close up like this. Hold on. Like this, and then pull it off. Perfect for travel. So you can't spill anyway. This is nice. This is the moisturizing serum. Moisture boost. Vegan and probably also cruelty free. I like this. Let's see what it smells like. Doesn't smell like anything, to be honest. So, front page. This is with 2150. Oh my god. Replenish lost moisture and hydrate your skin with the weightless, non-greasy moisturizing serum from eCooking. Full of hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vegan and free from parabens and fragrances. I also love the fact that this is a glass bottle, so you can actually fully recycle it. Because this is plastic and this, you know. Okay, so far I like it. And I still smell like the body lotion. It smells so good. Oh, there's another thing. I didn't see this. Okay. Okay. So 2 more products left. This one is the one that picked up. Oh, tea tree oil. I like tea tree oil, but some of it is just too intense. Like the whole bathroom just smells like tea tree oil. Okay, this is by Australian Body Care Spot Stick. Oh, so is it? I hope it's a stick. It's not like full on oil. It is full on oil. Oh, okay. Anyways, I will try this out when I have a spot. So, okay. I have one here. Maybe let me get a mirror. Wait, let me see. Like you just put it on your skin, I think. This is worth $9.99. Treat that spot fast with the help of Australian Body Care Blemish Stick, infused with 100% tea tree oil, with fantastic antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Used at the first site of a breakout to fight bacteria, reduce redness, and speed up the healing process. So I have one here. Actually, I have 2 here, okay? And let me get a mirror. And I have one here. So I just try it out. Yes, we are very up close on this channel here. Ready? And then on this one. And then, you know, the thing is, I'm filming this now on Friday. So this video will go up on Tuesday. And, I mean, by then I should see results, right? So I will tell you in the description box if this worked or not. Okay? Because, you know, I still have time to... I mean, I will edit it today, but, you know, once it goes live, I will tell you about this. Also, I heard that it's finally raining in Australia, so thank God for that, honestly. Last but not least is... Oh, I love Londonberry. Made to measure lip color. Just naked. Brown. Ooh, I don't know if that will look good on me. I'll put that on later on. Give me a moment. You can smell tea tree oil, but it's not as intense. But it's not really, you should be the only one using this, you know what I mean? Like, it's a roll-on, you should, like, not, you know, 2 people using this is a bit gross, in my opinion, but, you know, it's better than the oil that you have to, the oil is a mess, I can tell you. So, I'll just show you like this. This is worth £15. With macadamia oil, water lily extracts, and enriched with LXB complex, this Londonberry lip liner will soften your lips from first application. This round barrel pencil is completely waterproof and highly blendable to give a more natural lip lining look. Try it out. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. Oh my god. So I would use it. I would put it on, blend out a little, and then if I could find it, just put a lip balm on or clear gloss. I didn't think I would like that color that much. It kind of fits me. Is this the only one? Yes. You know, sometimes you have lip products that come in different tones. Like depending on what box you get, you have, you know what I mean. You only get the nude one, apparently. So I actually like that one. It's very orangey, orange base, you know, like terracotta almost. It doesn't look that bad. Huh, okay. Okay, I actually like this. So then, the leaflet. Oh, it's like beautiful is to revive your skin, you know, like to feel energized again. So 10 minutes with Tina Sogard. I have no idea who said. I'm so sorry. She's the founder. No, the founder of EcoGen. Such a good brand. Glow Moon pads. Oh, how to use them. Very nice. I feel like, if I wait, where are they? Rodial's CBD story. What the fuck was that? Did you hear that? Oh my god. So everything about CBD. Oh. Then we have the Gym Skin Edit. Quick Cleanse, Deep Cleanse, Tone and Moisturize. 2020 Vision. So apparently this year we will love graphic liner, nail art and glossy skin. I love glossy skin. I wish my skin was glossy. Honestly. We wish. Then we have the top 4 beauty podcasts. And new year, new faces. So new recruits at LookFantastic. Someone is always, like in the customer service, someone's always like answering me, and I don't know who that is. I don't think it's any of them, to be honest. But they're always very nice. Like whenever I post a review about something that I got in a LookFantastic box, I obviously tag them in it, and they always, but they often reply. And I think more brands should do that. And let's just say that. On the sneak peek for February is the Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Detoxifying Body Oil. Okay, detoxifying body oil. Nice. Okay, so that was it. That was everything that was in the box. I will immediately use this because I'm actually very excited for it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these products? And if you did it work? Were they good? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay. This is harder than it looks. If I can find it. What is that accent? I don't know. And then top 5 beauty podcasts.